So that's it, mate. Your baby's going in for
I don't know what about. I'm getting a new car.
Oh shit! Yeah. So what Ford said is that they'll take the Hyundai and give us the Golf R. Is that right?
Unfortunately, I can't do that today, I'm afraid.
Good morning, guys. It is about 5 AM today, so f***ing early. My eyes aren't even settled yet. So 5 AM in the morning, we are about to set off down to Gloucester. Oh, look at that. Oi oi.
Morning.
Sure. This guy is come and drag me out of bed. So yeah, anyway, 5 AM. Been up since 4:30 really, getting ready. I've been up since 4:30. This guy had to drive 1 hour, so he's been up since 3. But it's all gonna be worth it because what's getting done today, bro?
I'm getting it tuned.
Tuned. Stage 1 today, so we are going to be driving down to Gloucester, and that's about 3 hours and 14 minutes drive. We need to get there by 8:30, is that right?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. We need to get there by 9 o'clock, so it was a bit of a drive, but I'm sure it's going to be worth it. So yeah, we're heading down to Gloucester to Forge Motorsport.
That's the one.
To put their magic touch. Ain't it, bro? This is silicone hose. Where the hose at? Forge, where the hell is your reception?
I'm all getting murdered back here.
We're getting mugged here. So we have finally arrived in Gloucester. 4 hours.
Not yet, we can't find the entrance.
Well, yeah, that's it. We're just trying to find Forge's reception at the moment. Where did you put your reception, Forge? Why is it so hidden?
Well, they've got banners everywhere.
There might be a left here, bro.
That's for good.
No unauthorised. There it is. This is it. There's cars all over the place. This is it. Like they've got the new Golf R here. It's already got Nankans on and rotiforms, and it said it's on coilovers. Look at all these guys. It's quite one. So I know we've come for Hans's stage 1 here at Forge, but that Golf R is just distracting us so much. It is sexy. It's nice that it's slammed as well. grabbing some goodies.
So this is your factory turbo elbow, because that's as big as the turbo in that is on there. Okay. These are machine bit adapters, and you can see straight away how this is. And there you go.
What the hell?
Is that the one that just got sold real quick?
That was the one.
Is that the one?
Very quick. That was, yes. It is a vast increase.
Oh my god.
So we are just gonna go and get some food right now. So we're gonna leave Hans's car there.
It's about a mile away.
So we're gonna go ahead to get some McDonald's, about a mile away. So
Kill some time.
kill some time, go for a nice walk, a lovely scenic route apparently. So yeah, we're walking on the scenic routes of Gloucester. So Hans has kindly taken me around Gloucester. I'm sure he's been before, but I've never been Gloucester. I don't know what to make out of Gloucester, but I think we're lost, to be honest. He doesn't know where we're going, but here we are, finally.
Told you.
He did know where he was going. Yeah. All right. I'll give him that. McDonald's, here we come. Finally got the food. Thanks, bro.
Yeah, it's alright now.
So we are back from McDonald's, but we are just waiting. I think they're sorting out the ECU right now, so we've got a bit of time really, just waiting, just enjoying the sun. I've been sat inside for a bit, thought we'd come out and get some fresh air, but yeah, just waiting game really, waiting game from now. So that's it, Paul's done his magic on the ECU and he's now just reinstalling everything.
Putting it back in,
Putting it back
absolutely,
together,
yeah.
So this is going to be the first time I've been in the car since the tune, so good luck to me, good luck to me.
Still be alive.
Right.
So that is it here from us in Forge Motorsports. Let me just put my fucking seatbelt on, fucking hell. So what do you think, Hans, so far? Can you tell the difference?
I did actually in the passenger seat, but once I get to drive it then
Alright.
we'll see.
So yeah, goodbye Forge. We are heading home. So this is going to be an exciting one. So I am now finally home after that long journey, but Hans has still got an hour drive back, so he is heading back up north now, probably enjoying the drive. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this little video. If you did, please do like, subscribe and comment down below. I appreciate all of your support. Thank you very much for watching.